Hi everyone, it is Jan here from DecoArt. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I'm doing a 40 by 50 centimeter canvas today. Initially I wanted to do a tree swipe, but it turned out so great that I didn't want to mess more with it than I did. The colors really quickly. This one is the base coat. It is DecoArt Americana Prussian Blue mixed with a little bit of Golden Fluids Paints Gray. All paints in this painting are actually from DecoArt, except for this little golden fluid that I put in. This next one is the DecoArt Metallics 24 karat gold, the commonly used one. Gives some really great sales. And this next one is a DecoArt Extreme Sheen Aquamarine. They've got so many different names on these. This one is DecoArt Americana Pearls. Oops, sorry. DecoArt Americana Pearls in baby blue. Then there is a DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Ice Blue. Yeah, you can see it there on the screen as well. Excuse me. And then we have the DecoArt Dazzling Metallics. Love this color. Well, I love all of them actually. This one is Teal. Then we have an interesting one that I've never used before. DecoArt Americana Enchanted Shimmer in white. It seemed a little bit different, a little bit gooey I think, but turned out nice, so love it. Last one, DecoArt Extreme Sheen, and that is copper. And as I said, I had thought that I was going to make a tree swipe, but I really loved the outcome, so I decided to skip that. I'll be playing this on mostly 4x speed. There's a few times where I slow it down just to let you see what I'm doing, but most of it is just on 4x speed. I won't bother you more with or bore you more with any talk, so just enjoy the ride. I hope that you like this. Do leave a comment, thumbs up, share on your social media pages, and if I didn't say it already, if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day, and you all take care.
The way you talk, the way
So this is just a quick flyover of the wet result. I am in love with this piece. I really love it. The cells are amazing. There is no cell activator in any of the paints. This is all DecoArt paints, like I said, and I'm amazed how it sells up. So I'm definitely gonna do some more with the DecoArt paints, no question. Love the juxtaposition from the more smoky part at the bottom of this painting and then the more celly part at the top. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I'll just leave you to a few stills and wish you a great day. Bye!